Hi kids, in today's session you are going to learn about water pollution. Water pollution, it is the presence of any solid, liquid or gaseous substance in the water in such concentration as may be or tend to be injurious to human being or other living creatures or plants or property or environment is known as the water pollution. It is defined by the United Nations as the introduction of substances or energy into the marine environment results in deleterious effects to living resources, hazards to human health, hindrance to marine activities. We'll move on to what are the types of water pollution. Surface water pollution. Surface water includes natural water found on the earth's surface like rivers, lakes, lagoons and oceans. Hazardous substance coming into contact with this surface water. Dissolving or mixing physically with the water can be called as surface water pollution. That means the plastic things and what are the things it can't able to decompose, everything comes under that means when it is mingled with the water it will pollute the water. Okay, that is called as a surface water pollution. Groundwater pollution. The contamination occurs when man-made products such as gasoline, oil and chemicals get into the groundwater. We may say this one as a untreated waste from septic tanks, toxic chemicals from underground storage tanks and leaky landfills contaminate the groundwater. Microbiological pollution. In many communities around the world, people drink untreated water. That means straight from the pond, river or stream we are drinking as it is. Sometimes there is a natural pollution caused by microorganisms like viruses and bacteria. This natural pollution causes both acute and human illness. Oxygen depletion pollution. When oxygen levels in the water are depleted, relatively harmless aerobic microorganisms die and anaerobic microorganisms begin to thrive. Some anaerobic microorganisms are harmful to people, animals and the environment as they produce harmful toxins such as ammonia and sulfides. What are the causes of water pollution? We will move. Discharge of sewage and wastewater. Sewage, garbage and liquid waste of households, agriculture runoff and effluents from factories are discharged into lakes and rivers. These wastes contain harmful chemicals and toxins which make the water poisonous for aquatic animals and plants. Dumping of solid waste. The dumping of solid waste and litters in water bodies cause huge problems. Solid waste, we may say already I told what is the solid waste I told, plastics like that. Okay. Discharge of industrial waste. Industrial waste contains pollutant like asbestos, lead, mercury, grease, oil and petrochemicals which are extremely harmful to both people and environment. In so many rivers, the discharge of industrial waste alone, it is polluting there. Oil spill. Seawater gets polluted due to oil spilled from ships and tankers while traveling. The spilled oil does not dissolve in water and forms a thick sludge polluting the water. Acid rain is pollution of water caused by air pollution. When the acidic particles caused by air pollution in the atmosphere mix with water vapor, it results in acid rain. Global warming. Due to global warming, there is an increase in water temperature. As a result, aquatic plants and animals are affected. Eutrophication is an increased level of nutrients in water bodies. This results in bloom of algae in water. It also depletes the oxygen in water, which negatively affects fish and other aquatic animal population. Effects of water pollution. What are the effects by the water pollution we are facing nowadays? It most probably affects the health and life of man, animals and plants. Polluted water is also harmful for agriculture. Pollution of seawater damages the oceanic life. The effects can be catastrophic depending on the kind of chemical concentration of the pollutants. The effects of water pollution are varied and depend on what chemicals are dumped and in which location. Many water bodies near urban areas are highly polluted, that we know very well. In Chennai itself, that Adayar river, that Kuvam river, we are saying, everything it was polluted. This is the result of both garbage dumped by individuals and dangerous chemicals legally or illegally dumped by manufacturing industries, health centers, and markets. Death of aquatic animals. The main problem caused by water pollution is that it kills organisms that depend on these water bodies. Dead fish, crabs, birds and seagulls, dolphins and many other animals often wind up on beaches killed by polluted in their habitat. Disruption of food chains. Most probably disrupting the food chains, this water pollution. Pollution disturbs the natural food chains. Pollutants such as lead and cadmium are eaten by tiny animals. Later, these animals are consumed by fish, and the food chain continues disturbed at all higher levels up to human beings. Diseases. The discharge of untreated and undertreated effluent contributes to severe ecological degradation. The indiscriminate human activities such as open defecation, solid waste dumping, discharge of drainage water are responsible for the pathogenic bacteria, waterborne diseases like hepatitis A, typhoid, malaria, dysentery, jaundice, dengue fever, viral fever, so many there. Destruction of ecosystem. Ecosystem can be severely destroyed by water pollution. Many areas are now being affected by careless human pollution, and this pollution is coming back to hurt humans in many ways. What are the remedial measures we can able to control the water pollution? Comprehensive water management plan, construction of proper storm drains and settling ponds, maintenance of drain line, effluent and sewage treatment plant, regular monitoring of water and wastewater, stringent actions towards illegal dumping of waste into the water bodies. Thank you, children.